Today we have the Renegade Products Stainless Steel Polishing Mini Kit. I'm Peter Williams with Almost Chrome, and I've been doing this 20 years. Here's a couple of differences on why you need these products versus the aluminum mini kit products. For stainless steel, you actually want to generate some heat. Contrary to popular belief, stainless actually likes heat. You have to build up the heat in order to make the molecular change to make the metal shine. So here's what we've got. We've got our red buff. This is a stiffer buff than the orange buff. This is going to build up a little bit of extra heat at 3,500 RPM. Don't recommend going any faster, and I definitely don't recommend going any slower for either your cut or your color process. So we've got our stiff red cut buff, and we're going to pair that with the Renegade Black Magic. This is going to give you a good base as you start polishing. Once you've got your initial heavy cut done with the red buff and the Black Magic bar, we're going to switch over to the pink buff and the yellow deluxe. This pink buff, believe it or not, is a little bit softer than the yellow buff for your aluminum. When you're coloring stainless, you want a lighter buff than when you're coloring your aluminum. Stainless is a hard metal. You've already cut it. All you're trying to do is finish it out. We're going to pair that with the yellow deluxe. That's going to cover up the buff marks from the Black Magic and the red buff. We've also included a bottle of the Show Shine metal polish for your maintenance touch-ups on your stainless steel. You don't need to use this once you've polished it. Your stainless is polished, let it shine. This is for when you have a little bit of oxidation buildup or even some mild water spots. All you want to do, shake it up real good, put a little on your towel, wipe it in, flip your towel, wipe it off. Your stainless is shining. That's Renegade Products Stainless Polishing Mini Kit. You can get it at renegadeproductsusa.com.